What's up, everybody? It's Meredith Shirk with this easy at-home beginners fat burning workout. I'm super excited. You know the drill. We're gonna work out all together. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is a warm up. We're gonna do wide knees, wide butt kicks, step jacks, and then jumping jacks. But these jumping jacks are gonna be a variation with a side reach, okay? So we're gonna start first with just the wide knee taps. I'm gonna get into it right away as this warm up, and then we're gonna get into the workout. So wide knee taps, just coming up nice and high, and I want you to keep your hands up and tap. So as you're doing this, really feeling like you're crunching your core, and you don't wanna move too quickly in the beginning, right? You wanna just really feel your movements, so that you have complete control of your body. Good. Chest up, shoulders back. Keep that core nice and tight. This is this 30 seconds here, and then we're gonna switch into the wide butt kicks. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then you're gonna step and just start right into it, just kick and kick. So this is more of a wide march, but I want you to think about as you press off this foot, feel it in your calf, feel it in your butt as you really ground down into the floor. Might change it up on you guys a little bit here because step jacks and also a jumping jack variation with a side reach can also be almost like a squat side reach. Good. Keep it up, keep that warm up going. I want you guys to have your heartbeat pumping. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now we're gonna step almost like you're doing a jumping jack, but you're gonna reach and reach. You can almost swoop a little bit to get more of your core as you warm up. Slow it down, really feel as you're pushing through as you connect your fingertip to your toe. Good, 5 seconds. 4, slow it down. 3, really press. Connect with your toe. And last one is the best one, and step jack. So stepping up. You can kick your butt with your back of your heel, or you can just step and just step here. Whatever you're comfortable with, but I want you to warm up your hamstrings too. So kicking back every 5 seconds or so. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Good, step and step. 5 seconds. 1 and down, now right into squats. So we're gonna go a 15-second active rest, just kind of walk around. I'm gonna show you these squats while you're having the rest. Chest up, shoulders back, sitting down into your squat, okay? 30 seconds, go. Ready, down. A little bit wider than shoulder width with your feet, pressing into your heels. Really feel like you're rolling your tailbone under as you're pulling underneath. Good, keep it up here. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going crisscross punch. So we're gonna punch from side to side. So notice how I'm bringing my leg up and I'm twisting. If you don't wanna twist, just do punches. Ready? Good, push it here. Going right into a rise to the floor next. After 15 seconds of an active rest. Keep that pace up, keep your heart rate up. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a break here. Active rest, arm circles. Get some water, you got 15 seconds. We're going right into a rise to the floor touch. Down, run squat, a little bit wider, and then reach up and stretch. And reach, 30 seconds here. Break was cut short, let's do it. Good. And reach. And reach, good. And reach. Notice how when I squat down, pushing through my heels, roll my tailbone under. Really reach here. Do one more here, really slow. Touch, come up nice and slow and reach. Reach, 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 reach. Shake it out, woo! Careful, small arm circles, ready? And go. 30 seconds forward. Good work. About the size of a tennis ball. Hands facing forward. Palms out in front of you. Now put them down. Big breath here, in through the nose, out through the mouth. All right, 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. 15 seconds of active recovery. And then we're going right back into our squats. Crisscross crunches, rise to the floor, and a small arm circle. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, and squats. Remember, if you're getting tired, slow down and focus on your movement of rolling your tailbone under. Really drive up with your heels, press down on those toes as well. Let's go 2 more. 1, last one, really roll it under, and 2, shake it out. We're going those crisscross punches. So I want you to just be here. I wanna get a little cardio, get a little bit of a pump. So if you want to really dip down and punch across, you can feel the connection between your knee and your fist. And this side here. Good, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now rise to the floor and touch. So remember, down, up and reach. Keep your chest up and your shoulders back. As you go down, as you reach up, stretch almost like a good morning. And reach back. Ending with those arm circles. In about 15 seconds, we're gonna switch. Really sit down here, stretch out your legs for a second. Take a big breath as you drive up and reach up and out. Let's go last one. And arm circles. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Start with your hands backwards, okay? But your arms going forward. It's really pushing back. And now same thing here. Arms backwards, hands facing forward. Tighten the core. Loosen your knees a little. Bigger circles now, beach ball circles. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Woo! Now that was an awesome, easy at-home fat burning workout for you at home, beginners, wasn't it? If you guys love it, like it, check out the other videos, and I'll see you on the next one.